A live image of a yet-to-be-launched OnePlus smartphone with a large camera sensor has been posted online. It is very likely the OnePlus 10R, as it is slated to be launched before the vanilla OnePlus 10. The smartphone is rumored to feature a MediaTek Dimensity 9000 SoC and a 120Hz AMOLED screen. The OnePlus 10 Pro is slated to hit international shelves later this month, March 2022. With that out of the way, speculations about the vanilla OnePlus 10 and other variants, such as the OnePlus 10 Ultra and OnePlus 10R, have been doing rounds online. Twitter leaker Abhishek Yadav found a picture of an upcoming OnePlus phone on Weibo, and determined it to be either the OnePlus 10 or the OnePlus 10R. However, Maxim provided an additional clue about the mystery OnePlus device. It seems that the OnePlus 10R is slated to make its debut before the OnePlus 10, which is interesting, considering that the opposite has almost always been the case. As far as the actual picture itself, it showcases two color variants of a OnePlus branded smartphone, with an obnoxiously large camera module. One can reasonably assume that the device in question is the OnePlus 10R for two reasons, the first being Max's confirmation about it being launched first. Hence, the chances of its prototypes being out and about are higher. Second, the OnePlus 10 will likely be a cut-down version of the OnePlus 10 Pro, which will be reflected in the aesthetics of its camera. Furthermore, it could also bear some Hasselblad branding, although there is a chance that it got obfuscated in the above image. Little is known about the OnePlus 10R's innards, other than the fact that it is slated to pack a MediaTek Dimensity 9000 SoC and a 120Hz AMOLED screen. So far, the Dimensity 9000 has trounced the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 in every CPU-bound test, with the Qualcomm Silicon winning on the GPU front. It'll be interesting to see how both phones fare against each other in the real world. While the Pro and non-Pro variants could get a leg up in the camera, the lower-cost R version could beat its siblings in terms of raw processing power. Thank you for your viewing. I thank you for your support. You are the best. Subscribe to the channel and leave comments.